This is a brake caliper, brand new for a Yukon 2000. What happened was she locked up, so I had to go get a new one. Found out if they lock up a few times, check your brake line. That could be your problem. First step though, you're going to take these two bolts off so you can put your rails in. That's these guys. And then put your brake pads in. Alright, as you can see, I've already got the bolts out. I've set them over there so they don't get anything on them. They've got grease on them. And then I've laid the rails in place on both ends. They'll only fit one way. You can see that they're different dimensions. So fit them in, make sure they're good and snug, and then place your brake pads in place. Now before you place the pads in, see I've got a little bit of grease there on those rails. Put just a touch of grease on them. Alright, so after you got your brake pads in place, make sure you set this caliper like this. It's the easiest way I've found to do it. Put those bolts back in because you want it tight. Otherwise, it'll come apart on you. Alright, as you can see, I've got the new caliper in place. And I had to put the two back bolts, one at the top, one at the bottom. Make sure they're good and snug. That's how you change out a caliper and get your brakes in. We're going to have another video showing you about the brake lines.